A for airplane, zooming high. B for basket filled with pie. C for candle, glowing bright. D for dinosaur, big and might. E for easel, paint a view. F for feather, soft and new. G for glasses, help me see. H for hammer, tap with glee. I for igloo, made of snow. J for jelly, watch it glow. K for keyboard, typing fast. L for lighthouse, standing vast. M for magnet, stick so tight. N for notebook, write so bright. O for oven, baking bread. P for puzzle, use your head. Q for quill, cozy and warm. R for rocket, past the storm. S for swing, up so high. T for teapot, pour some chai. U for unicorn, magic hue. V for violin, song for you. W for wheel, rolls around. X for x-ray, see-through ground. Y for your acorn, massive hue. Z for zigzag, just like me. Sing along and dance with cheer. We love phonics all the year. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun songs.